Welcome to my channel JJ Creative Learning. Today I am going to show you best robotic toy for 2020, that is Boat Robot. It is a war machine. I am going to unbox this very beautiful war machine. It is available in 3 colors: red, white and blue. I have bought white one. Music, light and battery operated. Battery in its head and light. It has seven color lights and music inside it. Here is the switch. Music, 7 color lights, hand move and feet will go. This is how it works.